Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a special one because I have some amazing news to share with you all. Can you guess it? Can you? My channel just got monetized by YouTube. I remember when I first started this channel, I had no idea what I was doing. But I was so passionate about creating content that I just keep on sharing things and all. And I think I stopped creating content for some time because of educational reasons, and I started 3 months ago. I am thrilled to announce, that my channel currently is in 5,022 subscribers and 3.8 million views. Like, can you imagine? I started 3 months ago, and this when I started 3 months ago, I was only having 200 subscribers. But one of my shorts went viral, and boom, this is what to get. So, how did I get monetized? Well, it wasn't easy for real, but I learned a few things along the way. First is consistency. If posting every day is not the key though, your consistency can be maybe 3 times in a week, 3 times in a week, 2 times in a week, 4 times in a week. Just keep on doing what you are doing. And second, engage with your audience, respond to comments, answer questions, and get to know your viewers. It helps them come back. And thirdly, optimize your videos. Use the necessary keywords, tags, your descriptions. It should just be catching. Your thumbnails should be catching. Your title should be catching. Yes, I don't have the views yet, and not enough of views, but I know I am heading somewhere. I am not giving up. Yes, I am not giving up. I'll continue creating content, even if it's the first level of monetization. I'm still happy for it. Now that my channel is monetized, I will still continue creating my content. You all know that this channel is about teaching, videos, video editing. Anything I learn, I come here to teach, and I'm even adding more things. I'm about to start adding how to maybe bake without ovens. But just watch, like, just follow. If you haven't yet followed, just subscribe, because I'm going to be bringing amazing things to you all. Like, I'm so happy. Thank you all. Thanks to my subscribers. I love you all. Bye.